Ito ang patunay na mahal ng Japan ang ating The King of P-Pop, Mahalima SB19. All-out support sila sa ating boys. At heto nga, hindi lang Rolling Stone in the Philippines, kundi Rolling Stone Japan din, nakabandera, naka-featured at na-mention at na-post ng Rolling Stone Japan ang ating Mahalima SB19. Binandera nila at in-update ang ating Mahalima sa kanilang Summer Sonic Festival performances soon sa Japan. Syempre, kulang na lang na isama ng Japan ang P-Pop at SB19 sa Grammy for new category Best Asian Pop Music Performance, na kung saan tatlo lamang na pops ang pasok na pasok: Japan, China at Korea. Better luck next time. Hindi natin alam na isama na ng Grammy ang P-Pop sa kanilang Best Asian Pop Music Performances na additional category sa kanilang Grammy awarding next year.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone, and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.